This is Fun with Electronics Project 4 Part 1A, where we improve the LED brightness in the hand touch circuit from Project 1 using a Darlington configuration circuit. And here we have the schematic over here. For this part, I'm using 4 transistors to create a 4-level Darlington configuration circuit. And we're still using 500 ohms as the current limiting resistor and 9 volts as the power supply. So here we have the power supply, and here we have the circuit. So I would like to also demonstrate uh, project project 1 to see the comparison between a single transistor and the Darlington configuration circuit. All right. Okay, so as you can see, there's a decent amount of brightness. All right. So this is from project 1, and this circuit is the Darlington configuration, the 4-stage. So as you can see, it's way brighter because of the overall gain.